You're watching how to download non-copyright songs on iPhone. You can download royalty-free music directly to your iPhone using a web browser. Open the Safari app and search for reputable royalty-free music websites like Pixabay Music, Free Music Archive, or YouTube Audio Library. Navigate to one of these sites. Use the site's search or browse features to find a song you like. Ensure the track's license allows for your intended use, such as royalty-free or Creative Commons 0 CC0. When you find a song, tap the download button, usually labeled download or represented by a downward arrow. Safari will download the MP3 file. To find the downloaded file, open the Files app on your iPhone, go to the Downloads folder within on my iPhone. Your downloaded song should be there. Tap on the file to preview it. To add it to your Apple Music library for easier access, you need a computer with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer, open iTunes, select your device, go to File Sharing, and add the MP3 file to an app like Documents. Alternatively, use a third-party music player app like VLC or Evermusic. You can transfer the downloaded MP3 into that app's folder via the Files app. Open the music player app to play the song offline. Remember, even non-copyright music may have attribution requirements. Always check the specific license on the website. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.